Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make candles, and these are candles that look like drinks. I've seen these a lot on YouTube, on Pinterest. I feel like they're kind of everywhere, but I love them so much. I think they came out so cute in the end, and they're so easy to do, so I really wanted to share a tutorial with you guys just to see, you know, what works, what doesn't work. I'm going to start out by showing you guys some products that I used. So I got all of this stuff at the Dollarama. So we got these little mason jar cups with a mason jar lid, and they're only 5 ounces. They're super small, but they were only $4. And then I got some of these pillar candles, and they were just $2 for that. And then I got some essential oil, and that was $1.50 each. And I think I just used a peppermint one and a lavender one in the videos. And then I got some wicks from Michael's, and I can't remember how much those were, but definitely less than $10. So I think this craft is very affordable. So now that you know what products I used, I'm just going to get right into how I made it. So first off, I apologize for any shakiness. It's definitely hard to record while you are doing something. So I started by putting on a pan of water and then putting my pillar candles into a measuring cup. These pillar candles are a little bit smaller than the one I showed initially. That's because they were left over from Halloween, but I do use the other one later on. They're basically the same except for these were just shorter. Once it was boiling, I put the measuring cup in the boiling water. I did have this on a high heat, but then I turned it down because I was afraid of it overflowing. It did take quite a long time for the candles to melt completely down. So once the wax had melted, I used a crayon to color the wax, and then I just stirred it in. I then added essential oil. I didn't know how much to add, so I kind of just added enough that it covered the crayon smell. I then poured it into 2 of the cups, and the way I got the wick to hold, I saw this online as well, was just that I wrapped the wick around a popsicle stick so that way it would hold it in place while the wax firmed up. So then I used a knife to cut up the candle, kind of shredded it with the knife so it looked like this. I put it in the microwave for 30-second increments until it looked like this, and then I just scooped it with the popsicle stick to make the whipped cream, and they came out like this. These are my final 4 candles, and I hope that you guys like them. The 2 purple ones were lavender scented, and they were based on the kind of like unicorn drink that I think you can get that at Starbucks. You guys can top them off with anything that you want. I used a wooden gingerbread button, a rainbow sticker, a paper straw, and clay sprinkles. And I hope that you guys liked my video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, thanks. Bye.